Hey, in this video, I'll show you a few ways to actually delete an Instagram promotion if you're getting the I cannot delete my Instagram promotion uh, issue. So if you appreciate me making this video because it's the same thing on an Android and on an iPhone, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're in. Hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, I'm there for you in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go on Instagram, click on the promotions, and when you click on any promotion that you are running, for example, this one, past promotions, this one, if you cannot delete it, something that you can do, I can actually delete it here, is, and the first thing is actually updating your app. And I know it might sound weird, but if you have an outdated version, and sometimes people don't have an updated version, this can actually cause this issue. So you want to go on the App Store, type in Instagram, and make sure you have it installed. Another thing you can do is actually go on your settings, go over to General, click on iPhone storage or Google for the Android for the storage, and you want to click Find Instagram. Here it is for me, and offload the app. This will basically reset all the settings. And if that doesn't work, what you can actually do is install the third-party app to view your ads, or use a desktop. I have Pocket Ads. This can help. There's other variations as well. But yeah, you might have to use a desktop computer to do that. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.